Hello, boys and girls. So for today in science, you need to get out your green science folder, open it up, and you want to take out this first page that should be right on top called Science Measurement. So everyone, please take that out right now. Make sure you have a pencil handy. Notice the big purple arrow. That shows you we are only working on this section right here using a thermometer. Okay? We'll be filling in the other parts throughout the rest of the week. For right now, today, we're only doing the part that says using a thermometer. So, as you've been learning, scientists use lots of tools to observe and measure and keep themselves safe. But today we're going to talk about some of the measurement tools. Tools like thermometers, triple beam balance, centimeter rulers, and graduated cylinders. Today's focus is on the thermometer. Okay, so as you know, thermometers can measure temperature in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. The one that you're most used to is Fahrenheit. The one we'll be using whenever we're talking about it in science class is the other one called Celsius. And you can see on this thermometer there's two sides. There's the side for Fahrenheit, which has an F, and this side which has a C for Celsius. Now sometimes it's switched, that the Celsius is on this side and Fahrenheit is on this side. So you have to pay attention when you're looking at your thermometer to see which side represents which label, Celsius or Fahrenheit. The side we want to look at for science is Celsius. So if we take a good look at this thermometer, we first want to notice the increments. How much is the number going up on this side? So, one thing you learn about when you're later on in the school year is negative numbers. You can see these numbers go below 0, which means they have a minus sign in front of them. That means it's negative. It's less than 0. And don't worry, you'll learn a little bit more about that in math later this year. So we can see that each very solid line goes up by 10. All right, so if I look at this one and I follow it all the way up, it looks like it goes right here. So we can tell that the temperature being shown is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay? So let's take a look at our notes. Your job is to fill in where it says, in science we use Celsius, and this is the symbol for Celsius. We draw a tiny little circle which represents degrees, and then a C, a big C for Celsius. Okay? The thermometer shows that the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, and that's what that says, just by writing the tiny little circle and the C. You must label your numbers. Because if you don't, we won't know, are you talking about Fahrenheit? Or are you talking about Celsius? It's a big difference, 30 degrees Celsius versus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, 30 degrees Celsius, we're talking winter time. Fahrenheit, we're talking winter time, you know. So you want to make sure you're labeling your answer. Is it Celsius or Fahrenheit? And like I said, in science class, it will always be Celsius. Let's take a look at a few more. So here, look, oh, it switched. First thing I want to notice on my thermometer is which side am I looking at? Remember, we're looking at Celsius because that is what the question asked me to do. So if we take a look, let's see, it looks like the bold lines are again going by tens. And now I have to figure out, it's not at this big bold line and it's not at this big bold line, it's somewhere in between. So now I have to figure out, what do the little lines mean? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little lines in between. So that means that each line is worth 2. So if I count by 2s, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, it gets me up to 10. Okay, so I think it looks like it's at 33. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I am right. Very good. It's very hard to see when you don't have it right up close in front of you, but that's at 33 degrees Celsius. Okay, so once you're finished, I need you to take this page, put it right back into your folder because we'll be working on it more tomorrow. Now you can complete the 2 slides on reading the thermometer. Okay, all right, boys and girls, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.